Thanks for joining us. Today we'll be reading Sam's Snowy Day. If you are taking the AR test, the number is 89982. Sam woke up and looked outside. Everything was white. The roofs were white, the grass was white, the car was white. What is this? Thought Sam. Sam went to get Joan and Bob. She went back to the window. "Woof," said Sam. "Woof, woof." Joan and Bob laughed. "It's snow, Sam," said Bob. "You will like snow." "What is snow?" thought Sam. Joan and Bob put on coats and hats. Then they put on mittens and boots. "Let's go out and play," said Joan. She opened the door. Sam stuck her foot in the snow and picked it up fast. "Brr," thought Sam. "Snow makes my feet cold." Sam stuck her nose in the snow and sniffled. Achoo," said Sam. "Snow gets in my nose," she thought. Sam stuck her tongue in the snow and licked. Thought Sam. "Snow tastes like water." "Let's go to the park," said Joan. "We can have fun at the park." Bob got the toboggan. "Hop on, Sam," said Bob. Joan and Bob pulled Sam to the park. Sam saw lots of people in the park. People were making snowmen. Kids were playing in the snow. "Wow," thought Sam. "This is good." "Look," said Bob. "They are making snow angels."
Wow! Whoa!
"I can do that," thought Sam. She lay down and waved her legs. Sam got up to look. It did not look like an angel. Kids were throwing snowballs. "I like balls," thought Sam. She jumped to catch a snowball. Splat! The snowball hit Sam. "Poor puppy," said the kids. Kids were sliding on the ice. "I like to slide," thought Sam. She ran to slide with the kids. Oof! Sam slipped on the ice. "Poor puppy," said the kids. Kids were digging in the snow. "I like to dig," thought Sam. She ran to dig with the kids. Whump! The snow fell on Sam. "Poor puppy," said the kids. Then Sam saw a hill. Kids were riding on toboggans. "Come on, puppy," said the kids. "Hop on." Sam hopped on with the kids. Down they went. "Eek!" cried the kids. "Woof, woof," said Sam. "Come on, puppy," said the kids. "Let's go back up." Sam went back up the hill with the kids. Down they came, faster and faster, faster and faster. "Eek!" cried all the kids. "Woof, woof, woof," said Sam. No one saw the snowman in the way. "Jump off!" yelled Joan and Bob. All the kids jumped off. "Not me," thought Sam. "I like this ride." Whomp! The toboggan hit the snowman. "Oh no!" cried Joan and Bob. "Where is the puppy?" cried the kids. Sam wiggled out of the snow. "I am not a puppy," she thought. "I am a snowman." Thanks for joining us in reading Sam's Snowy Day. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. New books are added daily. And as always, remember, be kind, stay amazing, and keep reading.